Happy birthday. Uh, I hope na in your birthday you get to spend it with the Lord. And I pray for good health to you and to your family. And also, na say na I appreciate our few conversations here and there. And I wish na we can have more conversations in the future. I am also inspired din sa growth mo with the Lord. And I like your questions na binibring up during L113 class kasi interesting din siya. And yeah, enjoy your birthday.
Hi Elijah, happy birthday. Kasi mo nakakap din ako kasi nakikita bro na nakakap din. Ayun. So, yung I guess memorable na tingin ko recently is syempre yung alam mo yung sa L113, yung magkasama tayo to share the gospel dun sa labas. It's really a learning experience for the both of us, and galing lang din ni God on how He teaches us na to have the heart for the lost. Kahit sabihin natin na pares naman tayo introvert, di ba? So, talaga it's really by His Spirit that we can be empowered to share the gospel, and hayaan natin si Lord to do His thing after we shared. Kasi yeah, it's really a great experience for both of us. And what I would pray and also as an encouragement to you is I can see you kasi na even in yung parang yung overall na parang pag nakikita din mo na laging medyo, let's say yung parang tahimik, but yung talagang yung quietness, but at the same time yung heart for the Lord to search much deeper sa within. Parang kanta lang, di ba? Pero it's really a great thing to see, given based sa mga naalala ko na from what you mentioned before, kung ano yung mga naging journey mo with the Lord, given na tingin natin being a Christian for so long, pero it doesn't stop eh. Kasi the more we know, the less we know. And I know that parang si Elijah din na super intense siya with the way he prays, but it's more on in you na intense sa loob na you would receive more from the Lord. And I declare yung sa Romans 8:28 na all things work together for good for those who are in Christ. So the things in the past, your journey, kung paano nag-start yung journey mo with the Lord, from kung kailan man siya nag-start, even in the family until now, it will always work together for good, bro. So, ayun lang, bro. Happy birthday.
Mag-greet ka, happy siya.
Hello bro, happy birthday bro. Ang hirap magsalita habang may nakikinig kasi yung wife ko. Tinatawanan ako. Yan bro. Happy birthday bro. And I know bro. Bakit Lord yung ko? Yes bro, happy birthday bro. I know bro na I hope na happy ka. And I know na you have hope in the Lord. And I know you are hoping something na may mangyari sa buhay mo. And I know na si Lord lang yung nakakapagbigay niyan ng satisfaction and yung pagmamahal na hinahanap mo. And bro, I know na you already pray to the Lord na you will bless sa life mo, and I know na you already pray na your family will keep safe. And I know bro na you already pray sa buhay mo na magiging smooth, although dadating tayo sa mga panahon na we have circumstances, problem, but the Lord are always accepting us, comforting us with His warm love. And yan bro, happy birthday bro.
Happiest birthday, bro.
Ang prayer ko is mabless ka palalo ni Lord in all aspects of your life. And also, ang personal message ko naman is sana magkaroon tayo ng more time to hang out dahil nga talaga nagtatagpo na schedule. Siguro nga we'll need more effort sa part na yun. Yan lang bro, enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday.
Hi Elijah, happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-introduce kay God more sa akin. I know God, but ikaw yung mas nagpalalim sa akin kung gaano ko nakilala si God pa. And God bless. See you every Sunday, 5 p.m. And ikaw yung first friend ko dito. And so blessed na naging friend kita. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ched. So, happy birthday dahil birthday mo. So, ayun. Joke lang. I wanna say thank you for mga pinag-usapan natin before, and also encouragement na natanggap ko from you, and yung simpleng pag-reply mo lang sa akin, it's already a big thing for me. And then I pray that this season, itong kaarawan mo and beyond, may the Lord continue to sustain you, to strengthen you, and also may the Lord give the desires of your heart. So if you're praying also someday of relationship or marriage, of course the Lord will give to His children. Why not? And we only keep asking God. And by the way, also, I would like to congratulate you to your new assignment. Or, ayun lang, prophetic lang siguro yung nabanggit ko. And may that assignment be a leadership role, maybe in your business or something else, but the Lord really gives that for you. So, God bless, Ched. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Elijah. Thank you for being such a compassionate leader and friend. I always pray for you, that the Lord will always provide everything that He wills for you. May you be even more blessed every day. And I also pray that you become more talkative, because I'm glad that I get to talk to someone, on a more deeper level. And you know that I love you, bro. And always God bless and take care. I'll see you soon.
To one of my brothers at church, Elijah, happy birthday. I hope and I pray that you get the rest today kasi you have decided na mag-rest ka. But you're one of my friends that I never thought na magiging kaibigan ko sa church. But I'm happy that you're my friend. Kagaya ng mga napag-usapan natin nung afternoon shout night nung Las Piñas. Nakala ko 30 minutes lang, nakain. Yung pala, naging 30 hours wala. Di joke lang. 3 hours na bigla ang usap. Matagalan na chikahan at saka, syempre, talking about the Lord. So, happy birthday, brother. I would like to encourage you with the verse. It is in James chapter 1, verse 12. Blessed is the man who remains steadfast under trial. For when he has stood the test, he will receive the crown of life, which God has promised to those who love Him. So I would like to encourage you that the reward is always Jesus. In what you're doing right now, leading your group, choosing Jesus above all is the right choice. And I pray that in every choice that you make is that you would make a conscious decision to seek Jesus first. So, happy birthday, Elijah. Happy birthday!
Yun, happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it, friends, huh? What do you want? I will give you this, and everything. This is, I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want you what you live. Thank you, sir. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Yun, joke lang yun, bro. Ito na yung bati ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, bro. And I thank God for your life and the way He using you for His glory. May the God continue to strengthen your faith and bless your journey, bro. And keep shining, bro, in Jesus. Yun talaga yung lagi ko nakikita sa'yo. You are shining sa tuwing nakikita kita sa church. Happy birthday, bro. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. De, joke lang. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto ni Lord. And enjoy your day, bro. I love you, bro. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Ala. Anyway, at sa parang majority sa kanila nakasando. So, mag-sando ako. Anyway, happy birthday, Elijah. You are loved. We definitely appreciate you. We definitely appreciate you so much. You are valued. You are more of a man than you think you are. I honestly think that you will be amazing. Honestly, for me, bro, you don't need the stage or a mic or even the keys to serve the Lord, because your life is going to touch multitudes, because God looks at the heart. I believe in you the way that God believes in you. Bro, you have so much. You're gonna touch multitudes for sure. Your life is gonna touch multitudes. A salt and light. Contrary to how you were. And happy birthday! Enjoy this day! See you when I see you!
Hi bro, happy birthday. So ilan taon ka na? 19? Bro, I'm actually inspired kasi yung pag-reach out mo sa mga lost, no? Nakikita ko yung passion mo. So I always perceive you as someone that is humble and low-key. Pero pagdating sa pag-speak ng word and pag-reach out kay God, sobrang on fire. So keep it up, bro. And I know you're changing lives already through God, no? So praying for your health and safety. Wag mo pababayaan yung health mo, as well as, you know, I'll be praying for your business to prosper. So yun lang. Happy birthday.